Okay, Friday morning, March 1st. Thought we'd give a little update. We got the carpet in, vacuumed it all up. They did a pretty good job in here. I guess a few things. I guess that spit out a whole bunch of water, so there was a whole bunch of mold in there, and I cleaned it up with some bleach and some white vinegar. But I'm going to need to replace part of that wall. No big deal, just another thing. So that's a thing on the to-do list. Again, they did a pretty good job. Mold is really bad in the basement. And so I sprayed all that mold with some white vinegar. Well, evidently that has agitated all of the ladybugs. And we've got some ladybugs. They're coming up. Hopefully they'll be gone by the summer. I don't really want to disturb them. I've been spraying the basement with the white vinegar, try to kill off some of that mold. So anyway, that's it for right now. We'll get to the water here in a second. So here, I just pulled this water right off the well. You can see the TDS is 458. I have taken a test here. And if we just read from the bottom here, our pH is really high. Alkalinity, it's really high. Carbonate, it's really high. Yeah. And then this one over here is just verifying the water hardness. You can see it's almost a 9, or that's the pH actually. We got real high pH. So you can see that. But I got a gamut of tests. I'm not finding any hydrogen sulfide. I think it's just the sulfur. So this here is a filter that I had in for approximately 100 gallons of water. That's a 5 micron sediment filter. This is what a brand new one looks like. It's hard to see. This thing is just clogged. So it's a 5 micron. I went with this pleated 20 micron to try to get some of it out. Anyway, there's going to have to be a lot of back flushing done here. So I got to have a place for that water. I went out and got a submersible pump. I'll be hooking it up and then I'll put a hose on it. But I'm thinking back flushing every 2-3 days. I don't know. It's not level down there, so it's got to go up and out. So anyway, that's the water. I'm going to be working on it again today. Problem is my chlorine pump. It's not putting out enough chlorine, so I've ordered that doggone hose, and we're going to see how that works. I've been working on the yard here. Yeah, all this, I've cleared all this out. It used to look like that over there. I'm going to try to clear that out, give the dogs a little more space to run. So we're getting there. Come hell or bad water, we're going to be out of here by the 15th. I got another dump run to do. So there's where we sit. You know, there's still some work that needs to be done inside, but I can move stuff in here shortly. But that's what we got going right now.